Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Android version and that your image is saved. This prevents surprises during the change. Next, open Settings and go directly to Display, or long press an empty area on the home screen and tap Wallpaper. Once done, choose whether you want to edit Home, Lock Screen, or both. Make sure to pick Lock Screen now. This first step gets you to the Wallpaper picker, where you'll select and customize the image. Now pick the image from Photos, Gallery, or the System Wallpapers collection and inspect it for composition. Use the crop tool to set an appropriate aspect ratio. 16:9 works well, but choose full screen for edge-to-edge. Drag to reposition and pinch to zoom. These adjustments control which part appears on the lock screen. If your launcher offers motion or parallax, toggle it here. It affects battery and look, so enable only. Finish by tapping Set or Apply and explicitly choose Lock Screen only or both if you want uniformity. Once applied, lock the phone and preview it under different lighting, and with notifications visible to ensure text remains readable. If the wallpaper fails to update, make sure the image isn't DRM protected, restart the device, or clear the wallpaper app's cache and data. Permissions for storage may also need enabling. That troubleshooting step resolves most persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.